Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Welcome to this spacious and beautifully designed home, perfect for family living and entertaining. It is located at Reservoir Heights, Manchester, and it sits on 3/4 acre of land. The main house features 4 spacious bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. As you enter, you are greeted by a bright and airy living area that seamlessly flows into the dining space, making it ideal for family gatherings and social events. The kitchen is lovely, with ample counter space, perfect for whipping up delicious meals. Adjacent to the main living areas, you will find a cozy TV room, a laundry room, and a dedicated sewing room. The storage room provides extra space to keep your home organized and clutter-free. For your vehicles, there is a double garage, and the house is equipped with an underground tank for water conservation. Enjoy the fresh air and the scenic views from the front and the side verandas, perfect for sipping morning coffee or watching the sunset. An upstairs balcony provides a private retreat where you can unwind and enjoy a bit of peace. Adding to the property's versatility, there is a one-bedroom self-contained flat. This space is perfect for guests, extended families, or even a rental opportunity, featuring its own living area, kitchen, and bathroom. Don't delay, call today. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 68 million or US $441.8 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.